No, I've never seen nothing like you. No one else makes me feel like you do. Yeah, I've searched across the universe, seen many things so beautiful, it's true, but I've never seen nothing like you. Been all around the world, seen everything from the north, south, east, west, but I never found someone with your heart of gold. From Paris to Rome to
and I would like to call on stage my group who trains and grooms girls to be their guests. Lahat kami, iba-iba po kami. Kumari ako, Mercator ang company ko. Yung isa, gasoline po yung Shell. Yung isa, janitor ng UP College of Law. Tapos yung isa naman, halipawat ng bakla lang sa kanto. Tapos yung isa, malalaman niya na kung anong role niya dahil mas kulato siya, gym instructor. Arnold Mercado is one of the highest paid employees of Shell, a gasoline boy. Arnold Mamarufa Mercado. And then we have Nat Bronze, who is from the UP College of Law, and he's working in Congress. And siya yung nag-asikaso ng Q&A. Madali po siya, yun lang. Si Bessie ay inaway ko dati. Dahil nilike nga yung mga girls namin dati nung hindi pa siya kasama sa grupo. Pero ngayon kasama siya. Isa siya sa mga tumulong para magkaroon ng tsunami catwalk si siya. Bessie. And siya lang hindi namin tinatawag na mama dahil mukha siyang bata. Papa John Way from Bruce Gym. Si Melanie Marquez, dahil ang height niya masyadong manangkat, pero wala siyang buhok. Direxes Evangelista. And then also from Mabuhay Beauties, we have Boyet Glass. Okay, Direct Jeffrey Jutorian, nasa taping siya ngayon, and Jerry Diaz, Vice President of BDO, iba-iba kami profession. And of course, our makeup artist from Indonesia, his name is Albert, is the makeup artist of Heart, at wala siya dito ngayon.
Okay, I am here with one of the mothers of Shamsi, of course, one of the persons behind the victory of Shamsi, proud mother, Mama Rufa, of course, of the pageant of Aces and Queens. Mama Ru, ano yung feelings mo na di na nanalo si Shamsi?
For me kasi, di siya hindi nanalo. I think, for me, she's a winner pa rin. Although she became third runner-up, every one of us naman siguro, or most of us, believes na she should have been ranked higher. If maybe Miss Universe, or if not, at least first runner-up. When we were watching then with my friends with Aces and Queens, talagang sabi ko, the least that she could have is the first runner-up. Pero, syempre happy pa rin kami and we're so proud of her.
Mama Ru, of course, mga girls natin from Miss Universe is coming from Aces and Queens. Ano pa yung aasahan ng mga tao? Sino pa yung mga ilalabas niyong bala? Bigyan natin sila ng hint.
Ay, ang hirap niyan. Actually, sabi nga namin, it would be double pressure for us, additional pressure for us, with, of course, Venus in 2010 and Shamsi in 2011. Sabi namin, naku, sino yung susunod? So, by the second week of October, we'll be having our initial assessment of our girls for 2012. Siyempre may mga names na kami, pero everyone naman na nandun sa list namin, hindi pa lahat sure. So, ang mga iba-ibang names na familiar na sa tao, may mga names na bago, as usual, it's a mixture of new and old queens or beauties. So, abangan na lang natin. May hindi ko pa masabi for now.
Okay, thank you so much, Mama Rufa. Thank you.